My name's Natalie. I do A-levels in biology, chemistry and maths, and my favourite thing about being a student here is probably just sort of the community of the college. Like, it's quite a small sixth form, I'd say, and that just sort of means that everyone's sort of, like, I'll recognise anyone if I see them in the streets and stuff, and everyone's like really nice as well. So my favourite module in biology is probably just the myogenic control of the heartbeat. So it's just learning about the electrical activity in the heart and just how it's involuntary and stuff, and I really enjoy that. In chemistry, I'd probably say my favourite module is organic chemistry. Like, when I learn it, it's usually really hard, but as you get used to it and you learn more about it, it becomes quite interesting. The lab here looked a lot more modern than the other ones, and I just sort of prefer that sort of feel to a college. So one of the main reasons I chose the college is because I didn't really like any in my area, and I travelled to college by train, and the college, the Hastings campus of it, is really, really close to the train station. It's like a maybe 30-second walk from the train station, and I really like that about it because it just means I could get here so much quicker, whereas if I went to another college I'd have to have a 20-minute walk in the rain, which I'm not a fan of, honestly. So I really like my tutor. He's really helpful when it comes to like not just like college life, but also what you want to do after college. So he always makes sure we're like on top of our work and that we're submitting everything we need to submit before the deadline. So when I was applying to university, he's really on it. So after college, I plan to study medicine at university. So I applied, my number one choice is probably Birmingham, and I've got an offer for there. So hopefully if I do well in my A-levels, I'll be doing medicine at Birmingham. So I'd say the main reasons that I would recommend people to study here is one, like the A-levels community is really small and it's close-knit, so everyone gets along with each other. There's no drama or anything, as far as I know anyways. I'd say also the building, which is a weird thing to say, but I really like the building of it. It's quite modern. The ceiling's just glass, so it lets a lot of light in, and I feel like that just makes people have a better mood.